Happy Meal Monday. Taking JoJo on a surprise trip today. Do you know where we're going?
Nah.
Do you have any guesses?
Nah. What is it? How far away is it?
I don't know. He has no idea. All right, Joe, here we are. Woo! Surprise! We're about to do a mukbang. We're about to do a mukbang. Okay. I'm recording apparently. Oh. Okay, you shouldn't lean in. Okay, we're gonna do a mukbang. And Crystal's here. She just got here on accident. She just saw us. She's like, wow, this is my favorite YouTuber.
I was run over this speed bump really fast.
So I got my Happy Meal. I'm about to see what toy I got. If it's Nala again, I swear it's over. No more McDonald's ever.
That's a lot.
Ah! It's Pumbaa! Oh, thank goodness. What are you doing today?
Let's go to Food Line. I went to go look at Amber's classroom with her.
Where's she working at?
Work order.
I don't know where that is.
It's window.
That's why I got coffee.
I don't know what we're doing today. Noah's been spontaneous.
Let me see your ticket stub. There you go.
Tickets, please.
Yeah, we're about to go on an adventure.
Yeah.
What have you been up to lately?
Nothing.
Are you excited for those pies?
I'm so excited. They look good.
They are good. I can only sell 30 more. Cause I'm only buying 100 pie pans, so I'm not making more than 100, and I'm at 70 right now.
That's good.
I know.
Thank you. Look at this ring that I got. Aren't I cool?
Where did you get that at?
Etsy.
I had a dream last night that I got Taylor Ellis pregnant. We had a baby and it was a cat-human hybrid.
Where'd the cat come from?
I don't know.
I drove.
To Raleigh?
Yeah.
I'm going to a pie shop in Raleigh today to test out the competition. We saw your dad.
Oh, guess where he's at right now?
Where?
Walmart.
Before we saw him.
Again?
Yeah, no, that's where we saw him
Oh, yeah.
Yesterday.
yesterday.
Sunday.
I don't know what it was.
What's today? Tuesday.
It was Sunday because I bought another Bo Peep.
Mom made fun of him last night.
Another one?
This one has real clothes on. Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach today, but I don't feel like it.
I really wanted to go to the beach today.
So we're gonna go on an excursion. Joe doesn't know what we're doing. It's partly because I don't know what we're doing yet, but we're gonna figure it out.
Bro time.
You know it. Are you? Freak. I'm gonna have so many fries on my floorboard. That sounds like the name of a band.
Fries on the floorboard?
Yeah. Are you excited for school?
No. I mean, I will say I'm very proud of myself because I like my
There's
dorm
another
room.
one. You like your what?
I like my dorm room. I was gonna get these curtains for my closet, but they were $39, and the lady there was being the B word.
What's your profanity?
We talked to your roommate?
Today's her birthday.
Oh, that's cute. Happy birthday, roommate. She's gonna be like, why does Crystal keep crying every night?
Why don't you
Yeah.
have a full BTS bodybuilder?
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk.
Every time I see a red truck, I get scared. Oh my gosh. My sister, when we were at the beach, she felt a pain in her chest, and then she freaked herself out so much that she threw up. Okay, I gotta go for lunch.
Okay, have fun.
see you guys later.
All right.
Enjoy the pies. I'll see you Saturday.
Talk to you later.
Okay.
Thanks for joining our TED Talk.
Bye.
That's so funny. I was like, who was hollering at us outside the window? It was Crystal. I really don't understand that. Maybe it's supposed to sound like it. We could start a band. Okay, let's go on our excursion.
Let's go.
Jaja has no idea. Hey, we're in downtown Raleigh, gonna spend the day. Surprise! It's at the beach, but I don't want to go to the beach, so we're compromising. First stop is me. It's for me. Support your fellow pie makers. You gotta get all the others. Oh, harder. How do you feel, man? I'm about to go to Walmart and get groceries for 95 mini pies and 1 regular size pie because my pie sale was a hit. So I have a lot of pies to make and a lot of groceries to buy. Then we're going to McDonald's! The people in line at Walmart were so curious about what I was doing with my cart full of pie groceries, and they were like, "Oh, you're selling pies? On what? How can I find you? I want to buy." I'm like, "Baby girl, this was a little friends and family type thing, but if I do it in the future, I'll make sure to ask you. Gotta get that money." Ah! It's cold. Mine number 2 today.
Today, we even just got up.
This week.
It's breakfast. Time to break my fast.
Oh, they filled her up. This one of those you gotta suck while you put it in.
What else you said?
That tea kind of tastes like weed, the way weed smells.
How do you know?
I know what weed smells like, dummy.
Yeah, because you snorted it.
I've never
Snorted
done
weed.
anything with weed but watch people smoke it.
You need to watch who you hang around. You need to.
Watch me. What?
You need to watch who you hang around.
Okay, I hang around with people who love cookout at 12 a.m. in the morning, and those people smoke weed. Watch me get Timon again.
Timon. What is that?
Timon! I have like 8 of these.
Okay.
Why do they do this to me?
Because you freaking keep killing that and taking all the toys.
So summer is almost over.
And I need to do my reading project.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
A week from today will be my last day at home before I move into my apartment. Because I'm moving next Friday. Yep. You're gonna miss me.
True.
Yeah, this year's gonna be fun. Sophomore year of college.
Junior year of high school.
First time having my own, not on my own, I'm sharing it with Jenny, but first time in an apartment. I've got assistant costume design job for Into the Woods in November.
Oh, I have to watch it.
And JoJo has to watch it.
It's gonna be weird. It's like back at home. It's gonna be me vlogging and then you in school. That ketchup is dark.
It's because it gets cooked in the car.
Like, what the heck? Literally, my first vlog was right there. Now we're here.
The whole summer, almost over. It was a good summer though. That ketchup tastes bad.
Told you.
So tonight I'm going to Victoria Mitchell's going away birthday party before she moves to Virginia.
And I'm going shopping. Got some crust in my eyeballs.
Ew. Are you excited to move?
Sorry.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Are you excited to move me in?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot. I wanted a pie. That's so bad. Hi, I'm obsessed with pie. And you're like, didn't you just come through here? Like, yes, and I forgot dessert. Hi again. Hey, can I get an apple pie and strawberry pie? Watch this, I'm gonna turn $1 to $2. That was pretty cool. I'm gonna turn it back to 1. Wow. If you waft it, you can like smell the cocaine and the stripper sweat. Love it. Do you think they'll give me a refill? Can you pay attention to me?
No, God.
No regrets. I'm so crusty.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Whose vlog do you enjoy being on more? Mine or your sister's?
It depends on the Victoria's watching this.
What are you doing? I don't have a problem.
She said, rub me, God.
I'm rubbing my butt.
Clean out them ears.
Yeah, go clean your ear. They call cat protective services on me. What you doing?
Making a sandwich. On the bar stool.
Why are you making it on the bar stool?
Look at the kitchen, Noah.
Yeah, I'm making a bunch of pies.
Mom's gonna yell at you when you get home.
Oh well, she'll do that anyways.
When you get a haircut.
I really need it. Bo Peep's coming with because she's never been before. Oh, like the sloth from Ice Age.
Why do you do this to me?
Come inside.
I don't want to.
Come on.
Stop it.
Yeah, Mitchell, I
Go
want.
away.
Come here.
No.
Yes.
No. I'm going away.
Mitchell, get your tail in here. The dog wants to see.
Oh no, that breath
Hey.
smells like baloney. Bark, bark! Bark, bark! I'm a dog. Bark, bark. You like the taste of my breath? Don't kiss me. I'm a dog. Bark, bark! Mitchell, let me out! Bark, bark!
What is wrong?
Bark! Mitchell, bark, bark! Let me out! Mitchell! Bark! Bark, bark! Let me out!
You guys so much.
Bark! Let me out, Mitchell! Bark, bark! Bark, bark! Let me out!
Give me my dog.
Let me out! Bark, bark! What about me? Bark, bark! Let me lick your toes! Bark, bark! Bark, bark!
Oh my God.